Hi, it's Joan. Let's look at this hand and you bid it with me. A lot of points, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losers. But I think we should still open this hand with Game Force 2 clubs because of the wonderful diamond suit. We don't like this singleton king, but it might work. But anyway, I think it's hard. If you open one diamond, it's hard to find a really good rebid with a hand like this. So look, I'm going to take a chance and open 2 clubs. Game Force. Partner says 2 hearts. Well, the positive, when they could have bid 2 diamonds waiting, shows a hand that will have a very good heart suit, at least 5 or 6 hearts, and 2 of the top 3 or 3 of the top 5 honours. So they're sure to have the ace and the queen of hearts. They could possibly have ace, jack, 10, but I think they've got the ace and the queen. We've got the king. We've also got controls here and here, and a second round control here. So if someone gives a positive, they should have a very good, probably a 6-card heart suit. And if they don't have ace and queen, they'll have something somewhere else. So anyway, 6 hearts seems like a wild action, but I think it's reasonable when you can rely on partner when they give you a positive to your Game Force 2 clubs. See if we can make it now. So they lead the ace of clubs, fair enough. Partner had 7 hearts. The only one we're missing is the jack. They're going to make the club, but I think we'll probably be able to make 12 tricks because we'll follow to the club. That sets up our king and queen. They play another one. So win the king or the queen. Now, what to do next? What's the safest? We could try discarding spades, but let's do the safest thing first. Cash the king of hearts. Don't overtake it because you don't know where the jack is. And now I would trump a low diamond, a diamond low. Now draw the ace. And the queen. There's the jack. All the trumps are here. So let's cross over to the spade ace. Cash the queen of clubs, which is a winner, discarding a spade. And now the top 2 diamonds, discarding the spades. Now trump a spade, and we have 12 tricks. So the bidding might look extreme, but if you can rely on your partner when they give a positive to have a suit that looks a bit like that, 2 of the top 3 or 3 of the top 5 honours, then there wasn't very much else that you needed in the south hand to make 12 tricks. The only bad news would have been if the hearts had broken 4-1, but that won't happen a lot of the time, and we should keep positive. So speaking of positives, this was a very positive outcome. Have a great week, everyone.